Good morning, one and all, and welcome to our presentation on one of the most revolutionizing eco-friendly product in terms of packaging, that is Packet. Now let me introduce you to the team that are the brains behind this eco-friendly, wonderful product. Our team consists of four important members. Kinjal Patel, our logistics coordinator, who came up with the proper target market positioning for our edible packaging solution, Packet. Later on, she will be giving you an overview of how Packet is a strong contender when it comes to packaging. Aiden Pinto, our promotional coordinator, is responsible for planning promotional strategies to get Packet to the right target audience. And of course, we cannot forget Sahil Chitwane, one of the smartest members to come up with a detailed and proper environmental scan that will show you how Packet is moving to dominate the market on all fronts. Last but not least, I am Client Fernandez, team leader and captain of this boat.
We all know that one of the major problems that world is facing is waste management. Every now and then tons of waste is being produced at every corner of the world. We all know that how badly it is impacting environment, animals and human beings. Only some part of the waste is being recycled, whereas majority part of waste ends up in landfills. Packaging waste is one of the highest contributors to the waste generation. Moreover, plastic packaging, which is used due to its durability and non-reactive feature, also has wide range of applications from packing food products to utility products. Its huge demand and consumption has led to increase in manufacturing of more polymer packaging materials, and this has led to increase in packaging waste. Here is where we thought that there is a huge need to address this problem with sustainable packaging solution. So we came up with concept of edible packaging product. The edible packaging product will be made up of natural ingredients like wheat, millet, rice or all-purpose flour, water and starch. The end product will be edible and compostable. This product will act as an eco-friendly alternative to the packaging materials used in food service sector to deliver takeaway foods. This will help food business owners to reduce their ecological footprint along with generating more revenue by aligning their objectives with consumers' green buying behavior.
Coming to our mission is to provide a one-stop eco-friendly packaging solution to uplift sustainability and reduce environmental impact of a business by replacing harmful polymer packaging. Our goal is to be one of the most well-known brands in the nation for providing edible packaging products made from natural materials and helping our potential customers lessen their ecological footprint. Moving on to our target market, we will be mostly focusing on the food service sector industry. For example, restaurants, cafes, hotels, food delivery businesses to provide eco-friendly packaging alternatives to consistent use of plastic containers for storing food. For example, replacing plastic or aluminum containers with packet containers. With the advancement in ongoing research and development of the product to make it durable as well as safe, in future we will be also targeting food product manufacturers to provide more food items in edible packaging.
Packet is set to replace the plastic food packaging which has been widely used in the food industry today. Our packet is 100% natural and is safe to consume. It will help to reduce the environmental waste and save the environment. To talk about marketing mix product, Packet is an edible product which is set to replace plastic food packaging which is widely used in the food industry today. Our product is made out of natural ingredients such as wheat, rice, corn flour. Once the product has been used, the customer can either consume it and either he can use it as a composting option. To talk about the price, our price of the product is will be slightly higher as it is in an initial stage of research and development. The price of the product will be ranging from $70 to $250 depending upon the pieces that may be from that ranges from 50 per pieces to 250 pieces. To talk about the place, the product will be available in all the convenience stores such as Walmart, Circle K, and as well as Dollarama. To talk about a promotion, we'll be using social media such as Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp to create an engaging content that will create awareness in the minds of audience. We'll also be using event marketing such as trades and fairs. Will be displaying our product, and that will create an awareness among the customers.
SWOT analysis of packaged solutions. Starting with strengths. The first strength is that it is safe to consume. Since the product is made out of natural ingredients with no preservatives added, it can be consumed along with food. Second, it is compostable. It becomes a good compostable option if user doesn't want to eat it. Third, that it helps in reducing waste since it replaces plastic packaging materials and help in saving environment. Fourth, that it is good alternative to non-degradable packaging materials. And last, that it aligns well with green initiatives supported by the government. Now, let's see weaknesses. The first one is that the time and cost that will go in research and development and manufacturing of the product will be high. And the second weakness will be that as it will be made from organic materials, the product might face durability issues. Now let's have a look at opportunities for packaged solutions. The first one is increase in consumption of takeaway foods and increase in number of food outlets will lead to rise in use of more packaging materials. Second is growing demand of eco-friendly packaging materials. And third is consumers' growing inclination towards buying eco-friendly products. Now, what can be potential threats for packaged solutions? The first one is competitors making edible packaging products with different ingredients and technologies. Second is consumers may not easily accept the edible feature of eating food along with wrapping.
Good morning everyone. Let's go ahead with the environmental scanning. Environmental scanning is the process of gathering information about events and their relationship with an organization's internal as well as external environment. An environmental scan enables the company's leaders to be ready to react and respond to changes in the marketplace. The basic purpose of environmental scanning is to help management determine the future direction of the organization. Below are the factors in an environmental scan for Packet. Demographics. Due to the significant young population in Thunder Bay that includes immigrants as well as students who prefer to buy takeaway food, which has led a rise in the usage of packaging materials, and that's where our product fit in. Also, working professionals prefer to buy takeaway food and hence increase in the use of packaging materials. Our targets are restaurants and food processing businesses where food is packed, stocked for the future use. Restaurants and cafes which have drive-way facilities could be the ideal target audience. Let's look at the second factor. Socio-cultural. In today's fast-paced lives, people are ordering more food online and it has taken off in recent years. We have to ensure online food delivery portals are aware of the product and its benefits. Also, people in Tier 1 cities face problems related to trash management. With Packet, it will save their time and efforts. Also, they'll live up to the social responsibility. There is a new way of using biodegradable products like Packet as a symbol of luxury. The third point is economic. With an increasing disposable income, we end up buying more food packages so as to save our time and efforts of cooking at home. This will result in an increase in the number of new retailers like online delivery portals that will help the product to grow. As we know, Packet is a biodegradable product and it will save a large chunk of budget spent on waste management. The fourth point is technological. This is a completely new approach that makes other markets redundant. Widespread access to highly advanced technology and distribution channel would help Packet for mass production at lower cost. The next one is competitive. Packet is a new concept and it will be little difficult to replace existing packaging brands. In this case, we have to first create awareness about the environmental benefits of packet to our potential customers. We are also targeting an excellent customer experience for the retailers as well as customers. And the last one is regulatory. Governments always try to support socially responsible and environmentally sustainable products. Government bodies they also spend millions of dollars every year on environmental conservation and preservation of the ecosystem. Hence, we are hopeful that our product will have fewer political challenges. That's it from my end. Thank you.
We'd like to conclude on this topic that we need to save Earth. We need to create a change, and that change starts from us. We at Packet would like to thank you for listening to our presentation and would love to leave you with an advice. The change starts from you. Also, do check out our prototype images in the next slide and feel free to ask us any questions related to our eco-friendly packaging solution, Packet. Thank you once again.